I'd like to welcome you to Pop's Old Boats. On the outside, we're going to talk about things like patching the hull. Whenever you've got really bad problems going on there, this could be a complete through hole, or this could just be blisters that we're patching. We're going to go through the steps that you need to cover to get this back solid. Also, when you've got little scratches like these, how hard is it going to be to get those out of the gel coat? Why I prefer gel coat over exterior paint, always. Now you'll see that we still have some of the residue from where this was under the trees, so it's got this black pitting on it. I'm going to say that this is ready for a polish. So I'm going to go ahead and go around the whole bonnet. I'm going to give her a sanding. I'm going to get a dust mask on. I'm going to give it a sanding. I'm going to hook up my shop vac. Kind of control some of the dust. There's a lot of dust comes out of that. And I'm going to get this cleaned up. Now so far, this looks great. Now, I see that I've still got a little orange peel here that I need to get that out. Once I get down in that, it'll be in a lot better shape. Welcome aboard Pop's Old Boats. We're out on a 3-knot wind today. Not much sailing. Shakedown run. See how it goes. I got a cracked rudder. Got to fix that when we get back. And I made a classic blunder. I didn't put any fuel in the can. Stupid. Okay.